Yes, 11 different offers. I mean, it's crazy going from this valley. I had different ones in Kansas, Kentucky, Arizona, and all that, California. But I chose to stay here in Texas because the competition's different. Like I had said, Texas Lutheran just made me feel more like at home.
We believe that he is a better person than he is an actual football player.
Obviously, it feels good to have one of our players advance to the next level, right? But you're also humbled at the opportunities that he has in front of him. But through that comes a whole lot of hard work, that he has had over the years, along with the sacrifices his family has made. And obviously he's played at a high level for people to notice him.
Some people that are here today.
My goal is definitely for sure to get my major in kinesiology before anything. I do want to make all my accomplishments that I did here at Vela. I want to do more than I did here at Texas Lutheran. And, first team All-American is my goal.
Obviously, he's talented, right? He's got the measurables as far as he can run, he can block, he moves very well, he's tenacious, he's very intelligent, he's agile. Those are all things for a great football player, right? But I see him a little bit more. He is an altar boy at Holy Family Church, and I see him as a better person than he is a football player.
We have a wall of fame here at Vela, and I'm grateful that my name is going to live there for the rest of the years to come. So, I just know that I live every day, I did my part here at school.
Go up.